Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make your products pop with eye-catching animations in Canva? Click the Create button. Next, choose Presentation from the available options. Once you've selected Presentation, release it to Proceed. This will set up the presentation that we'll be using as the example for this tutorial. Next, look for the Elements section in the menu. Click on Examples, then choose Type. Scroll through the available products listed under Type to explore options. Select the type product you want to preview or use in your project. Now, let's search for food options or any available beverages to include in our list of offerings. Type drinks in the search bar and press enter. Drag the image file into the designated photo area. Release the mouse button to upload. Wait a moment while the photo processes and appears in your workspace, ready for further editing or use. Next, we'll move on to sampling a variety of drinks to explore different flavor options. For this example, let's animate the lemon soda graphic. Select the lemon soda image by clicking on it. Next, navigate to the animation menu in your software. Choose your preferred animation style from the options available. Adjust the duration and effect settings as needed. Then preview your animation to see the results. We need to add more elements and change the background color. First, navigate to the toolbar and click the Add button to insert new items. Then, select the background area, locate the color picker tool, and choose your desired color. The changes will apply automatically to your design. Remove the background by selecting the background layer and pressing the Delete key. Next, import your desired image or artwork onto the canvas to replace the background. Now, add your text by selecting the Text tool, clicking anywhere on the canvas, and typing your message. Position the text to your preference for a smooth, professional result. Press the ESC key on your keyboard to exit the current mode in Impress. This action closes any open dialog boxes or menus, returning you to the main editing workspace so you can continue working on your presentation seamlessly. Select the desired clip and open the Effects panel. Add the anime effect to your clip. Choose the baseline preset for a balanced look. Finally, adjust the speed settings to slow down the animation, creating a smoother and more dynamic effect overall. Select the baseline option. Click the drop-down menu, then reduce the speed slider to your desired level. This adjustment will slow down the playback as needed for your project. Once the speed is set, you can continue making further edits or enhancements according to your workflow requirements in the software. Apply the pop-up effect to your element by selecting it from the Effects menu. Next, we'll adjust the animation speed to make it slower. Locate the speed adjustment slider or settings panel and reduce the speed to achieve a smoother, more subtle pop-up animation. To add more pages, click the Add Page button. Each click creates a new page in your document, allowing you to organize your content across multiple pages as needed. Let's add text to the project. Locate the toolbar and select the Text tool. Click anywhere on your canvas to create a new text box. Type your desired message. Adjust the font, size, and color options in the Properties panel to customize your text appearance. Click on the image you want to use. Once selected, confirm your choice by clicking the Use This Image button. The selected image will now appear in your project workspace. You can move or resize the image by dragging the corners or edges. If you need to change the image, repeat the process by selecting a different one. Make sure to save your changes once you've adjusted the image to fit your project layout. Start by choosing a background for your project. Next, click the Text tool to add a text box. Copy the provided text, then paste it into the text box you just created on the background. To change the color of the text, first select the text you want to edit. Next, look for the font color icon in your formatting toolbar, often represented by a letter A with a color bar underneath. Click it, then choose your desired color from the available options. To add effects, select the desired effect from the available options, like this one shown on screen. Once applied, you'll notice the animation automatically appears with the effect. Experiment with different effects to enhance your project's visual appeal and engagement. Select Baseline from the available options to apply it to your project. Using Baseline ensures consistent spacing and alignment, making your design look polished and professional. Simply choose Baseline to maintain uniformity throughout your work. Add more elements to your design by selecting them from the menu. Once you've finished, click the Generate button to create your final version. Click the search bar and type Pepsi Can. Find an image you like from the results. Click on the image to add it to your project workspace. With the image selected, go to the right-hand menu and look for the Generate button in the Elements tab. Click Generate to enhance your selection if needed. Next, locate the Remove Background option in the menu that appears, typically on the top or side toolbar. Click Remove Background. Wait for the background to be removed automatically and review the updated image. To add an animation, first select the object you want to animate by clicking on it. Next, go to the top menu and click the Animations tab. In the Animations section, choose your desired animation effect from the available options. After selecting the effect, adjust the properties such as duration or start action as needed in the right side panel. Preview your animation by clicking the play button to see how it appears in your presentation. Now, you can add a transition at this point in your project. Select the spot on your timeline where you want the transition to begin. Open the Transitions menu, choose your preferred effect, then drag and drop it onto the selected area to apply the transition. To change the color to green, select the object or text you want to edit. Click on the color swatcher palette, then choose green from the available options. Next, preview your presentation to confirm the color change was applied correctly. If everything looks good, proceed to share or download your presentation. Click the Share button if you want to send it to others, or click Download to save a copy to your device. For the best quality, select PDF format when downloading your presentation. Choose MP4 video as your file type. Set the quality to maximum for the best results. Once you've made these selections, click the Download button to save your high-quality video to your computer. Now you know how to create product promo animations in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more easy design tips.